Good afternoon, everyone. Steve Georgia here from Allendale's Trading Floor. It's October 29th. We're on weather watch here today as the storm is approaching New York. The stock market was closed today. It will be closed tomorrow, but there is going to be overnight trading. The electronics will be opening up at 5 o'clock Central Time, trading regular hours. Once the pit typically opens, that's when they're going to close it off again. So tomorrow during the day session, the stock exchange will be down. There'll be other commodity markets that'll be down as well. Nothing really affecting us here as far as the grains. The grains today down a little bit, down about 3/4 cent for corn. Beans dropping back about 34 cents. So we had a big week last week in beans. Today breaking back 34 cents, giving back everything they gained last week. More liquidation, I think, more than anything, as South America continues to get rain and continues to put more of a bearish stance here for beans. As far as the wheat, down 5 3/4 cents. That's just following suit more than anything. Not a lot of news out there today as far as the grain markets, but we do expect maybe some quieter trade here overnight, maybe some choppy trade. Corn right up against support at that 732 level. We did go down to that today, so watch that. If we take that out, may see some further pressure here for corn, but at this point, we're in a sideways range. So if we can see a stronger move tomorrow and a higher close, could take that December contract back up near that 760 point again. As far as beans, really at this point, 15 is support, maybe some resistance up around 1550. But keep an eye on beans. Today was more of a negative day. We'll see if we get some follow through there. Some of the outside markets today, the dollar up 18.5 cents. So finding a little bit of a bounce here to start the week. Crude oil down about $1. So 85.30. Last week, crude oil sitting about unchanged for the week, but starting it off here on a weaker point. But I think with that, we may see some, if we end up taking out last week's lows here, probably going to see some more weakness rather quick if that happens. So watch the charts there for crude. As far as livestock, fat cattle up about 25 cents today, 125.50. Box beef, though, coming in mixed. So after a sharp decline on Friday, box beef coming in mixed. We had choice up 79, with select down about 43 cents today. A lot of guys watching the storm moving in. With New York basically shutting down and preparing for this thing, a lot of demand here is going to be looked at as a little bit negative in cattle. We're losing some of the demand here over the next several days due to the hurricane. But as far as hogs, down 90 cents. The cash market fell here on Friday, continuing to pressure the hogs today. We saw a very sharp move lower right off the open. And we did remain about 90 cents lower for hogs. We feel that the hog market may have peaked in here, so seasonally we see a decline at this point. Be careful with that. We are still hanging on to some support there. You've got to make sure you watch these charts for support, or if you need help with it, give us a call. We'll help you out on that as well. But I want to remind everybody about our conference coming up here at the end of January. Make sure you check your schedules. And see if that fits for you. Promise you guys a good time out there. This is a great experience, but it's also a great way to kick off the marketing year as well. So give us a call with any questions that you have at 800-262-7538, or check us out on the web, allendale-inc.com. I hope you had a great day today. We'll talk to you tomorrow. Take care.